Which is it, YouTube? BMW or Mercedes-Benz? Which is better? Got the BMW 750i. Take a look at this. I'm kind of broke up. I'm not really Mercedes or BMW. But wow, this car is beautiful. Panoramic sunroof. Oh, wow. This car is amazing. Amazing. Oh, yeah. Interior, peanut butter. A lot of people like that. Or would you guys rather have a Mercedes-Benz? They're both the same year. So what's good about this car? Like I said, I don't like or dislike them, but they're very luxurious. So what you think, people? Let me know in the comments section. Would you rather have a BMW 750 or a Mercedes-Benz S550? Leave your comments. Peace.